Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to talk about the launcher icon, the package name, and the name of a Flutter application. First, let's start by Flutter Launcher Icon. We are going to use this package called Flutter Launcher Icons. It makes it so much easier to use this package to change the icon of an application, because there are so many steps and it's easy to make mistake. So to use this package, we need to add it to pubspec.yaml file. Here I have a default Flutter application. So I'm going to open pubspec.yaml and we're going to add this package. Notice that we need to add it under dev dependencies. Normally, we add our packages under dependencies, under Cupertino icons. But for this one, we need to add it under dev dependencies and not dependencies. So we need to copy the package name and then we need to add it here. We also need to add other configurations as well. So under Flutter Launcher Icons, we can set the Android, the iOS, image path, and minimum SDK Android. We also can set the option for web, Windows, and macOS. So we need an image for the icon. To create an image for an icon, there are a couple of tools that you can use. One is this page. This page has a couple of tools that you can use. One is Launcher Icon Generator. Another one is App Shortcut Icon Generator, Shapeshifter, and other tools. It's very easy and helpful. So the one we are looking for is Launcher Icon Generator. And you can see it says that this page is no longer maintained. So they switched to Icon Kitchen. If we open Icon Kitchen, it shows you how the icon looks like in different operating systems like Android, iOS, and macOS. So for example, we can choose an icon like this one, and it shows you how it looks like on Android, iOS, and macOS. We can change the background color as well. We can modify the icon, and then you can download the icon. So you can copy the icon, and inside the Android Studio you can go to the root and create a new directory. We can call it assets. Inside asset we need to create another directory called icon, and inside icon we are going to paste our icon that was generated. Now we can add our options. As you can see here, we can change the Android and iOS. When you add these configurations, pay attention to the indentation for each element because it is important. Now in the image path, the icon is under assets, icon, and the name is play. You can also specify web, Windows, and macOS. Now we click pub get. And in the next step, we need to run the package. So we need to use this command to run the package. And it is now successfully generated the launcher icons. And now if we go to Android and app and source, we can see all of these icons have been generated. Inside the iOS as well, we can see the icon for different configurations and sizes are generated. So if we wanted to do this manually, we needed to generate lots of images for different sizes and put them in the correct order in the correct folder. Using this app makes it so much easier. Next one is using Flutter App Name to change the name of the application. It's the same process, just pay attention that we add this package under dev dependencies. And then we need to have the configuration, and it needs to be one level up. Next, we need to do pub-get and run this command. So flutter pub-get, you can remove the previous package when you are done using it, so there won't be any clash between two packages. You can also check the name for the Android inside the Android manifest. So this is the name of the application. And now we run this command and the name has been changed. Another package that is very useful is package for changing the package name for Flutter. It says that what it does is updates the Android manifest file for release, debug, and profile, and then updates build.gradle file, updates the main activity file, move main activity file to new package directory structure, and delete the old package name directory structure. All of these steps need to be done to change the package name for a Flutter application. But using this package, it's very easy to do it automatically. So let's add this to, again, dev dependencies. We can remove the previous package because we are done with the previous package. We use pub-get. And now we can change and specify the package name that we want. And here in the package name, inside the Android manifest, you see that the new package name that we selected, that was com.new.package.name. This one has been set here in the Android manifest file. And it has done all the steps that needs to be done for the package name to be changed. So I hope these 3 packages were helpful. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.